Abese ayoluwo ya sagbe wo. Arika mori ba ti ba bise. Aya kun fi tori. Akun fi tiruwo. Igi bata bi ri farati nínú gbe yan lala la fi joluwo asagbe awore. Fifi la fi mekun lagbere wo.
Thank you. Welcome back to my channel. My name, as usual, Olanrewaju Bakare, the King Oba Ogboni, renowned Ogboni Abalaye. In my last discussion about the truth about Ogboni, I discussed extensively about what Ogboni is. I differentiated between Awo Ogboni and other Awo, which is other fraternity. Today, I'm going to discuss with you about the process of initiation. But before the process of initiation, I told you in my last episode that Ogboni or Awo has branches. One of the branches is Ogboni. And Ogboni itself has a lot of associations and other branches from different associations. Like you know, I've been saying I'm Kabiyesi Oba Ogboni Abalaye, so you should know Abalaye is one of the associations in Ogboni. We have United Ogboni, we have Ogboni Ibile, we have Awan and O, we have Ogboni Aborigine, we have Ogboni Ekun, we have Sala Ogboni, we have Ogboni Allah, we have Ogboni Agba, we have Reform Ogboni, and many more. We are all one. It's just only from different associations. I was also told that a lot of people are saying somebody is the head of all Ogboni, that is the one that is superior than every other person. No, we don't have any. If you are a head in Aborigine, you are the head in your own Aborigine. Like in Abalaye, I'm the Kabiyesi of Ogboni Abalaye. I am solely for Ogboni Abalaye and not any other association. We have United, they have their own head. So, we don't have somebody that is superior than any other person. Let's leave that one aside. Now, I'm going to the process of initiation. Like I said in the last episode, I said we have 3 processes of initiation. I told you, Babalawo cannot initiate you into Ogboni, because Babalawo is not the chief priest in Ogboni. Babalawo is the chief priest in Babalawo when it comes to Yanifa, being an Ifa priest or whatever. But it don't have nothing to do when it comes to initiation in Ogboni. The initiation in Ogboni has 3 stages. It can be more. That is, if you eventually become Oluwo, Akpena, or Abiye, you still have another thing to do. But the real ones you have to do is 3. A lot of people have been asking me that how much is it for initiation? No, it's not specific. From one association, one organization to another, it varies. It depends on your association, it depends on the head, who is the Kabiyesi of that association, or the constitution of that association. So we don't have a permanent or specific fee for that. Let me quickly go to initiation. The first stage is initiation. Before they initiate you, on the day they will initiate you, there is something they must do for you, which is a Eshubibo. We call it Eshubibo. A lot of people didn't do Eshu before they were initiated. This is very wrong. There's a song that says, Eshubewaju koma shegbeyin, iwaju omawo le Eshuwa. We have meaning for that. So you have to do the Eshu before you are initiated at all. So if you don't do that, it means they don't do it well for you. The initiation is one. Immediately you finish your initiation, you are going to do Ita. There is what we call Ita, which is 3 days. There is what we call Ije, 7 days. So you are expected to be indoor after your initiation for 7 days. Yes, you are supposed to be indoor for 7 days. There are some certain things you are going to do on that day. On Ije day, there are some things you will do. On Ita, there are some things you do. Ita is 3 days. Ije is 7 days after your initiation. There are some precautions they will give you on that day not to do, and which you can do. So if you are not told, you are not being initiated properly. Then the second stage is what is called Ibori. Mind you, the initiation can only be done by Akpena, because I've heard that some Oluwo and Abiye are doing initiation for people. He's wrong. If any Oluwo has done initiation for you, or Abiye has done initiation for you, it's better you go and redo it. What they did for you is fake. It's only Akpena that can initiate you in the presence of Oluwo or Abiye and other fraternal members. Then Ibori is the second thing. There are some certain things you have to buy for your Ibori, which I will not mention here because everyone that is watching me is not now a member of Ogboni. But I will tell you what can be told. Why the third stage is called Eron Oro. That Eron Oro, they will not just give you any Eron Oro to go and do. No. Akpena will go and meet Ajibola. They will ask Ajibola, which type of animal are you going to use for your Eron Oro? Is then they will come out and tell you this is what you will use. They cannot just give you anyone and said, okay, this is what they think is good for you. No! They will have to ask. They will call your spirit when they are with my mother. So when they do, my mother will now tell them what will rhyme, what will work with your star. Please, I'm coming back. Make sure you subscribe, as I always say, like, share, and make sure you press the button to see my next video. Thank you for watching. It's me, Kabiyesi Oba Ogboni, renowned Ogboni Abalaye. Thank you.